In other words, I would not call Rose the aggressor here. But I'm just gonna say, ladies, ladies, done. Done, done, done. Observant, you are a woman, you say you're a woman of profession and with your religion, and I tell you, I don't see why you should lose it. So why you lose it. So it is just, this is just another nonsense, and get who benefit from it? Who benefit from it? Hi, who benefit from it? None of you. You have to, whenever you do a live, somebody's gonna talk about it, somebody is gonna do, and you have to respect. And it didn't have to come out this way, even when you said things like, oh, the lady at 99 mixed with her. That's kind of, that's kind of degrading. It's humiliating and degrading. What happened to her? That's a nice black woman I see there. That's a nice black woman. Maybe she go to school in Bahamas. She talk like a Bahamian. Nothing is wrong with her. That's a nice black queen I see there. So why is it that nobody cannot mix with her? That's a bit humiliating and degrading. With all of this, don't call for, because at the end of the day, the guy was asking for the money for himself. He did not take up a old person. He did not take up a disabled person. He was asking for money for himself. So at the end of the day, and it's only that, and I hope Kemar, stay focused, Kemar. When you have your problem, him not gonna look. And then this is the thing now. If Kemar had come out now and clap back at you, gay people, they can go real nasty, and you would have said it, would have said no, say in disrespectful as so just finish it. Rose have all right to her opinion, likewise you, but in the blogging world, when we see something, we're gonna talk about it. Look, the other day, there was an argument about a channel. It never concerned me. But me just jump in and me talk about it, because it's on social media. You go talk about something where you feel for talk where it irritate me. And so I say, I'm done. It is going too far. And the temper where you come out with, the temper where you come out with, it not really, me not see where it far. And then I don't know if it's somebody tell you, or in your eyes or your emotion, your ear where you not for ear. Should never call you a scammer. She say you pin your Zelle and your Cash App. That's what she said. And it's true, your pin your Zelle and your Cash App, whether for help people or not, the facts will remain. Your pin your Zelle and your Cash App. You have to understand, because she live in Canada, she's a businesswoman in Canada, she might know the guys and know where them are go through. So that's why she explain. And I'm not taking up for her. Because I hear Rose say some people she's not a fan of, and maybe me's one of them. But it's the truth. It is the truth. I notice some people, this is why I'm always, because someone don't know somebody will fling on my dirty girl for can come out and don't care, because I don't have nobody to report to. When me come and me take 120 to 30 minutes and go and talk, and me fi talk, who fi vex, who fi run with it, who fi gone, I'm just done. Because anything what me have to say, Cause me dep on cock, you know. Cause me not afraid of nobody. It's just that you're not going to give some people the light of the day. But she not wrong. And you cannot make that because at the end of the day, it's not even say she clap at you or you clap back. You counteract, you have a problem because if you never have a problem with the GoFundMe, you would talk about it. Just like how me did have a problem when Tina collect money for people with an unregistered charity when she have a problem with other unregistered. I spoke about it. It not for reach so far. It not for and whosoever if you hear in your eyes say your emotion, you hear wrong. And if somebody tell us she call you a scammer Rose Ducker, if it's one thing with her, but me say Observant frighten me today. Observant frighten me today. I frighten. Me never expect that from Observant. And over what? Me say, Kemar, the little blood, yeah, make I tell you what, me, what's supposed to happen? Something simple. And Observant decides that she getting very unruly. Something me can't keep up neither because me tell the name come up go over good Observant for go listen good because to say me frighten me not tell a lie for Observant. Me not me frighten me can't me frighten. Me frighten. Cause me never know say Observant can't get so. Boy, better observe and better the chip to but observe to the last time when we hear it now. yeah, no. No. Hey, to the last time when we hear it now, a couple months ago in the Observant gone in the Observant church, till Observant boy, that Observant I will church you go because when I got a church there. God just me, you that got the church where you go. Cause it would have never. It would have never. You know why I got your church? It wouldn't change me. I'm to tell you the truth, but don't want to change. So I got your church. I want to make a join in online. So anyway, I'm going to tell you what I since you're aqua. Kemar. Because I always mix them up. Kemar. I always mix them up. I always after the short one that's about Kemar. The one Kemar. Omar take back the deposit and take back theme part of rent when they pay. And as you know, him go away with a lot of things. So, Kemar, it was Akeem, and even me what say it, me say, when me hear Akeem did say Akeem would have put him up and him put the things them in a shelter. And you don't know already say. You say I the full time him work, but him still a work. Him a work. A income is a income. So the rent a 2,000. So remember the guy gone with the deposit, mountain the owner na come up, and the guy money so a $5,000 that's all that need. He made a GoFundMe for $5,000. No, but we have. It's not about defending the GoFundMe. It's stand up for the right. But listen what happened. Me make no mix up that if in case anything, because Sister Rose will come out and say she will come, you know. So anyway, when he made the GoFundMe for the 5,000 that he would need, so the 5,000 where he would have did need, I would have the 1,000 where Omar take back plus the deposit where Omar take the money back from the landlord, and then this month rent would have due, so it would have be $5,000. When he made the GoFundMe for $5,000, where him need, somebody him followers them start to tell him to put the GoFundMe for 10,000 because remember, maybe that guy did it, I just rent money in my work. You understand? So them tell him put the money for 10,000 because him looking another place. Another place going to be deposit, moving, curtain, mats and so. But you know, when you put it in now go get it. But he did a live and him say him get it. But he never say him get it, him say thanks. But when we not get no 10,000. But you know him could have, you know, take the fire and find back with the landlord. Because rent stress and no nice stress, you know. If you really like to pay for your place. So anyway, Observant come out and Observant did a live on it and on a blog and she did a live on it like she never feel good about the GoFundMe. She come out, she never feel good about the GoFundMe. Now, what I think, cause we can't go say that Rose do come in or talk to Rose, but what I think, being as Rose, no, but no, he don't get the word. But he didn't ask for it. Being as Road can Observant was questioning why a 10,000 in one. Which in way these are the things where that's why sometimes it's better you find out before, because he said he was asking for 5,000, which would be correct. Because if the guy take his money, the guy take the deposit and then the new rent would due, that would be 5,000. And remember the guy take with every appliance. Nobody no want in our empty house him want to hear two music. Then let me tell you say him get the rent what was owed and he was telling the people promptly. So when I say before you to go carry it back, you come to tell me. Let me tell somebody ask what happened. So being as now Rose live in Canada as a businesswoman, Rose have been living in Canada for years. Rose came out, did a live, very decent, and explain how about with the economy, and Rose explain. Well, Observant TV never take it lightly. And she come out swinging. And as you know, once we are Jamaican, Rose could have there foreign friend, she a baby and something the Jamaican DNA in her she. And Rose came out defending, very respectful. Till it lead up to Observant. My name was mentioned about with thing there. Then come Observant say Rose call her a scammer, but Rose did not. At no time Rose said she put up, and that was when Observant came out and offend Rose. I like Observer, but I'm going to speak the truth. I mean, I tell life for myself, so I can't tell life for people. When she humiliate her to say she doesn't know how comes 99 mix up with people like Rose. You're not gonna find you can only listen to Rose live, but you can't listen to Observant private. I take down fear live them. So that was when Rose, and let me tell you the truth. I see it happen here, and I did say it happen here. Where it's only certain blogger on here of privilege for talk when something happens. Even like the GoFundMe is something where it should not have a confrontation like this. It should not get so big. Because to be honest, is Kemar set up him GoFundMe. Observant have a problem with it. Rose tried to explain in general. She never attacked Observant. Nor she never tried. She explain. She never come out to explain. With the and she should know because she lives in Canada. She's a business woman in Canada. Maybe she's a property owner to who to tell. And then with this now, other people name start call up. My name call, 99 name call, and it's getting big. And then guess what? At the end of the day, to tell you the truth, Rose is what Rose do, what Rose do. Me nah go say me no see she get in a temper. Me no see Rose going. Me no see Rose get in a fear gear yet. But Observant was like should that what is it? Why? What is it? Is what all bloggers do. You say something, Rose came out and Rose explained. Observant, why a woman of your caliber and a woman of your profession and a woman will say yes, a woman of God, then a woman make you make pan the holy Sabbath here. Like you go on your bed with a vengeance, you get up this morning like if you did catch Rose, you trim her with your bare hand. What wrong? We don't do these things out here when you go say nobody is better than nobody out here. Some of women might better white health-wise or financially. The whole away will be going 6 foot or 4 foot or who for criminate the whole away shit. We not discriminate people. Me not tell a lie. I'm not going to tell a lie. I like both of you, but me not tell a lie. You shock me. Me never know say look here, if your name mention Observant shouldn't have a problem with nobody name mention because Observant go up on our platform and she mention people name too. Even today she mentioned my name. Alright, suppose me was somebody know if you think like she know I run out or something because I say I fool. When I find name mention, that is nothing. Because again, that's what bloggers do. Rose did not this. We listen to me, man. We must split justice. Me like Observant. Me like Unique. But we split justice. That is foolishness. Then Observant no call my name. Alright, what about if when Observant say, and these are the things where, to be honest, Miss D should have come out and address. What about when Observant say she don't know how Miss D mix up with people like Rose? Miss D did feel offended about that. No man, no man. Nobody not gonna like my man. Speak the truth. Nobody care me like it. That's why I'm telling us I be solo. That's why I'm telling us I be. You me tell us me a one of them I go that dep on Rose. No fan list. But me I go stand up and me I go give the deal right. This never did for reach out so far because of Rose opinion and Rose come out and Rose explain. When people wrong, people must wrong with right. Like Observant. If when Dana wrong, me I come out to come say Dana wrong at the same way when Observant is wrong. She called my name too. And what about if me did for come out and call? She wrong. Observant is very, very wrong. And I notice you see one time I find out pa uno. That's why no big up to all the bleachers because my daughter sell bleaching cream and I each send our kids them go to school with. When time I find out say uno get so brainwashed that because I say Rose is a little black natural woman. The woman she not have no talk fear words no count. Listen, then that me say after when Observant came out, you sure you me hear you say me say but so me say no. After Observant came out and then Rose came out and speak in general, which she have all right because she lives in Canada, she would know the economy better. Because Observant can't come tell me about more Canada, Observant can tell me about America, just like how me can tell them about Curacao. But Observant get up this morning and she came out very angry for what I don't know. for what I don't know. Then she even proceed to say, she wonder how Miss D mix up with people like Rose. That's a very humiliating statement. Because Miss D is no better than Rose. What happened to Rose? What happened to Rose? A black businesswoman with a Bahamian accent? When in a bag we try for, even though she says some people is not, that's why I say me could have been on her no fan list because maybe true me weird dirty girl fat me could be on her no fan list. But this is because I say Ed hear me what's your name Observant talk her opinion about the GoFundMe. Rose came out and Rose talk, and if Rose even mention her name, how much time people mention your name? But how can you mad when you say something? If you're gonna be mad, don't talk. That is foolishness. How can you mad? Wasn't she came out last night and was questioning the GoFundMe, was even questioning how much. So if Rose come out and call her attention, if you don't put her in a no other problem, if she not gonna talk. Was she not supposed to talk because she was questioning why 10,000? Which that's a question which she should have didn't know. So the guy did need 5,000. He asked for 5,000. The people them tell him to put up. So there's no way she should have did vex. Come on, man, don't feel be serious, but when people wrong, they wrong. We're not gonna beat her, we're not gonna clap her, we're not gonna disrespect her, but Observant is totally wrong. She is wrong. Not that you wrong for ask about the GoFundMe, no. Get me straight, you know. Cause everybody have them platform. When Rose did the live, she wronged it for come out and come start to come again, and then she go talk and say, oh the lady oh Miss D mix up with Rose. That's where she wrong. Then she double wrong when she either don't listen good or some out of massive mischief make her go tell her say the lady call her scammer. Because it's not true. At no time Rose call her scammer. Rose says she spins it and she pins her and cash up for two. She never tell a lie upon her. She not tell a lie. Then she not pins her and cash up and she not do fear little charity thing. For true. So me not say where shift. I don't know what is this. And she couldn't tune the vex because if you don't want your name called, you don't call people name either. And that's the truth. If you don't want your name called and you don't want to be talked about, don't do it with anybody. And it's the truth, and people with a look on the truth and speak the truth. Not because they say we not like Rose because how she talk, or we not like her because she not born false there and she not bleach out her skin. No, because we might not like, we fit talk the truth. Right is right and wrong is wrong. We must stop being hypocrite. And this is why there will be no peace on social media, because I say, so poor Rose is somebody now where she says she cannot get her right. and our justice by social media and decide to put her, because let me tell her something. Let me tell her something. There is not one Jamaican we can cuss. Whether they cuss bad word or not, me can't tell about Bahamas because me didn't live there. Had them have word. Had them have word. Them have word, so no because mighty rose out here and easy. Maybe the lady just put down things and just easy herself, and not everybody will not see a van dirty girl frack. And this is why people will clap back, because she cannot get her justice, because we know unique wrong. No unique wrong. She's so wrong. What about if Rose call her name? We never know if Rose and unique have nothing. What about if she call her name? Come on, people. We might not like her because she's black. And she not have falls here. And she not be. We might not like her just because I say, as Cardi too know one time, as soon as everybody black, we ugly. And we might not like her because she a black, because that's the only thing we say about Rose. Rose have a Bahamian accent and she's a black natural lady. So no might not like her, no might not like her because she not fat. I would might not like her because she now when time anything, maybe this is the thing, when time anything she don't take up her platform and cuss and this and that and that. But that's Rose, make Rose stay right there. She never wrong today. Because if I did Rose the whole around that turn and then you what hurt me? This is what hurt me about to know. She don't wrong. I wanna still want to take her right and give her wrong. Una still want to take her right and give her wrong. This is why I don't like social media sometimes. She called my own. Even she call, what she said, let me tell her what hurt me. What hurt me is when she said, oh, the lady from 99 could have mixed up. That's a big humiliation. Then she come again and say you call her a scammer. Whether it's somebody tell her so or so, you did not call her. You say she spins and she spins and cash up for you. And to be honest, it is true. You never tell no lie. We must be fair, man. We must be fair. Unique is wrong. We not go tear right down and we not go draw down, and then I have to question it, because to when me get to understand Unique couple months ago tear down her page part to take off every live off it, and so she gone into her church, which is a good move, but I want to go to Unique church because I see what Unique do today. I see Unique action today, and that should not be the action of a church woman, because it was no different action from me when we are dirty girl frack. And over when this is the thing when we want to be wrong and strong. Over you said something you did not know because you asked why 10,000 and that should not ask, because the guy was asking for 5,000 what he need. 5,000 what he need, and the people them tell him put up 10. Now being as Rose is a businesswoman live in Canada, she come out and she explain and just mention your name. She never disrespect you, because I watch it, never disrespect you. It's like you get like you turn like a pit bull, like you're ready for war, and then you're gone and you humiliate your stock, and then people support you, and we know who know you're wrong. Because that's what bloggers do. Rose entitled. Same like how you entitled to question the GoFundMe. Rose entitled. She did not question yourself. Rose never come out at no time and she explained the economy is hard. And it is normal. I understand the guy take back the money. The guy take the deposit and the other rent due 5,000 him would need. What about if the guy work the 2,000 him beg? Him have to eat. You went too far because I said for my life today. Remember yesterday the day I live luxury life. If them a get it free, them have to enjoy it because them have a bad them pass bad at Trinidad. Them pass bad at Jamaica. We don't know if the lady did a buy food. Mr. One man in them say the lady give them food, Nanelin give them food. No, to be honest, man, to be honest, me not tell a lie. If you have a personal problem with somebody, cause this look personal. This look way personal. Me I tell you the truth. To be honest, this look personal. Because they said all the lady do because she live in Canada, she come out and she explain and mention her name. And unique for what? Then it reach the humiliation. Why can't Dana mix up with Rose? What the Rose? Why? Why? What? Me not understand this. And then this, me just don't know. Me don't tell a lie. Me really feel disappointed in this. I'm telling you, unique is somebody I always look up to, but I feel real disappointed in it. Because when you did the live and you talk about the GoFundMe and road, you could have done it. You could have back to your regular program. You could have done it. You never have to come out strong upon the woman. All when you don't like her because she never said nothing wrong. She explained and because she mentioned your name. Because you mention your name, then I... Come on, man. Come on. No. Why me not tell a lie? Wanna make me look, me not tell a lie. Wanna make me look like when I so no do things like this because I say, yeah, somebody who mother did look up to me. I tell her, say me, I tell you, me not tell a lie. You frighten me to the Saturday. You frighten me, unique. Me can't with how you go and say you're a professional woman and you're a woman of God. I have to see you run out pan road so like if like me said that when you have to go in your vehicle like you want the kidney pitney then like what you do you never know like you know like you just if you were there somewhere in America there you just drive for what? Fear because she come out and explain something. Fear opinion, you have your opinion and she come out because she mention your name. She never disrespect you. Me see people cuss you and drag you upon you. Why not always look weak when? Why me couldn't always look weak when to jump on? It don't look good at all. Me not tell a lie. This don't look good. I do. Unique. I don't care if you want to come for me too. Cause me got big chat. When me see something, I got chat. This no call for. You should have never deal with the woman so. You should have never humiliate the woman because me not tell a lie. It sting me when me hear you say. You want to know what Dana mix up with her. With Rose. Why? Two black women. Rose don't need nothing from nobody. Rose don't need nothing from nobody. Rose in her own little space and her own little corner. If something not she talk and she talk out she feel. But me find out say whenever time certain people that have no say upon you. It mean if I what make all the woman come out and explain. She live in Canada, she would know it better because you come ask question, you know. You come out and you ask question and the lady come out. That's what bloggers do. That's what bloggers do. Unique, you're wrong. Anybody tell us you're right, they don't like you. Anybody tell me no what me? Maybe you don't like Rose, but if you don't like her, which is okay, you're not obligated to like her. Avoid her. When you do avoid her, And avoid her mean no because she not have a problem. If you feel like you have a problem, but you don't want she call her name. Because she a go talk. I can't go tell her don't talk. I can't because if you never talk about the GoFundMe and question it, she could talk. So if you don't like her, avoid her. And next time you nobody have anything, don't humiliate them without a cause. Don't humiliate them without a card. You didn't have to come back when we was explaining about the GoFundMe, because all we was did was come out. And if she call your name, and you come out to ask question because no other black, you even said, no, we never have no problem. I didn't have to question Kemar GoFundMe. Because if the rent is 2,000, and the guy Omar take back 3,000 from the landlord, him take back when pay plus him take the deposit, and this month rent is going to due, that would be 5,000, and that's what him ask for. And him followers them tell him ask 10. So to be honest, we didn't have to question it. We didn't have, but me come this morning, so if I come, you want to come for me, no come for me behind, just come for me in the car. Me say, this is why Jamaican can't get better. Me say it, I mean, somebody must tell me, I'm not afraid of you, I'm not afraid of you dead, I'm not afraid of you, no, I'm not afraid of you again, I'm not afraid of nobody. When Cora came out, when Cora carried Cora husband to court, for the man don't put the pit in them for life, and the judge say, alright, no put the pit in them for life. Cora wait till after months and Cora pay, and Cora collect how much stuff, so she collect 100,000 for lie, and Cora is a multi-millionaire. And I even said the rich shall get richer, because I say everybody know that guy just got fired. How much them fi have? The government tell them for 1 year. How much them fi have? How much them fi have? And people when they are fined 40, 50 and 60 from the devil was a boy till the devil get big and I run up and down past. So oh no, and I give round and I give trouble past social media. Don't make it. How them are gonna make it a Canada? How them are gonna make it? And if poor Rose live there now and explain because she should know better because she live there. Why come out pan the woman unique and wedding you today Sabbath? Shouldn't you preparing to go to church tomorrow? What happened to you today? Why you come out swinging off of the lady so without no cause unique? Unique, why? You only give the enemy things to redrive. Why you come out swinging so? This was nothing to swing about. Because you ask questions, she come out and she explained to you. What make you ready for fight? Why? What? If you not like her, which you're not obligated to like her, but it's still no call for if you not like her. All she didn't name your white fowl to the call for. All if she name your white fowl it don't call for. Me not tell her like this don't call for. This don't call for. And you are one of them whenever clap the people and when especially the two man them over, you can't make them hear this. Cause when they hear this, you know this don't look good, man. This don't look good. Me I tell you the truth, me like you, but this, whether you have her up, whether you know this don't you sure this is the wrong timing and the wrong moment. Just to she explain something to me. And the guy really need the money and unique your help. Unique. Because I said to be honest, so poor Rose did say, come here, go say it, you know, and I don't care if you want to vex me for after today, you know, because I don't care, I don't want to afraid out here. I can't pin up myself and I cash up and beg for myself. You don't have to put in it. To be honest, look all the other day, Mr. Dana go a blind place. And when you're in the Urian bed, brother, people that me have no problem, you know, just make an example. And don't you collect money for your platform for him too? I will never say nothing because I say, we say, you collect, look, every make a muckling, but don't have a big platform. We can't say you not have to collect nothing time pan it too. We not say nothing, we not accuse you. Remember one time there was a misunderstanding with some girls with one woman and me call her, you said this and that, I would fix it. So. But nobody not accuse you, so what make you want to come question the guy, and the guy begging money for himself? And him a him recipient. And him is him recipient. You should have never make it be a problem to you. But since you feel for talk about it and you question for it and have Rose is a business. Rose can be a property because who know? Rose not chat Rose business out here. We only know that Rose is she married. Because no wonder you see her husband. We not know nothing about Rose out here. Nothing we don't know out here more than if you did live in Bahamas or you hear Rose start. Because the first time when I used to hear Rose first, I thought Rose was a Bahamian woman. And when she said she come from Westmoreland, I was shocked. All for the very first time because Rose, if you go to Bahamas, Rose have the accent just like a Bahamian woman. I thought she was from Bahamas. But you know, do not wrong to them, man. Who don't know if you do it, man. We should have been one over here. We should have been, we show that thing there. We not have to like with one another, we not have to be a fan of one another, but this no call for me. No, why unique? This no call for me. Not tell a lie. Me lose, that's why me tell you, say, I never know you. Me say then, I never know you're terrible, so. I never, the way you're terrible yourself, I have to shame and hide your life then. Because I say if me not tell a lie somebody ever take out that and carry that go church go show a pastor. If me can shock when they on social media, your pastor would have shock. You're not to do those things. Not that you're not supposed to defend yourself as a Christian, but this not call for you're wrong, and then you want to be strong. And you humiliate the lady. You can't humiliate the woman like that. Because Dana is no better than Rose that you ever said one Dana mix up with and Dana mix up with Rose because I said Rose live in a yard and Dana live in a yard. Then the things are never necessary. Them the things that not necessary. It don't necessary. Any of people may go charge up my phone. Have a good evening. Best upon yourself. Love and peace.